On this side over here, you got a lot of gap left over. Now on the other side, we just filled it in with the caulking. On this side is much larger, so I got some wire mesh. I'm cutting it to fit. I've already tapped it down a little bit. I'm gonna screw it in there. So the caulking has something to adhere to a little better. Better wear some gloves too. You're gonna get cut. Oh yeah. Space them out as you can. Yo, this grass is nothing perfect. And whoever's out there giving me thumbs up, I appreciate it. Because I know you are. Yeah. It's appreciated. And one or two over here going down. Let me see. I'll wait on that. I want to make sure I don't tap into nothing, anything below it. So, I'm going to go with the caulk. And this is just for weatherproofing. You don't want the back of your car getting all soggy and wet in the good rain. Don't be cheap with the caulk. You'll always hear me keep repeating that. Then when you finish this, after it dries, you want to go over with some rubberized stuff again. The spray. It won't hurt, but it's not necessary. But it won't hurt. You definitely need to undercoat the car where you're located at. Where you did the repairs at underneath.
Shane Cobalt, bro.
Yeah. Okay. The outside.